Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Apex Legends on MacBook. Start by choosing your method: Boot Camp for native performance, a virtual machine for convenience, or cloud gaming for instant play. Next, install the required platform, update graphics drivers, and configure controller or keyboard mapping. Finally, adjust in-game graphics and network settings to reduce lag and frame drops so you can enjoy smoother matches on your MacBook. Boot Camp gives the most consistent frame rates because Windows runs directly on your MacBook hardware. Partition your drive carefully and back up data before installing a Windows image and drivers. After Windows is set up, install Origin or Steam, then download Apex Legends and the latest GPU drivers. Finally, test in-game settings and monitor temperatures to prevent throttling, adjusting resolution and texture quality for the smoothest gameplay possible. In this video, I will show how to play Apex Legends on MacBook. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for ambient game chat queues and lightweight music between matches, and it pairs naturally with a compact MacBook setup. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if this guide is helpful. Now let's get back to the video. Virtual machines like Parallels or VM where Fusion can run Apex Legends, but expect lower frame rates compared to native Windows. Cloud gaming bypasses local hardware limits and streams gameplay to your MacBook, which is great if you have strong internet. For either option, prioritize low-latency network settings and a wired connection when possible. Also, configure controller input and aim sensitivity to match your comfortable style and reduce input lag in matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.